Imagine transforming your ideas into stunning visuals with just a few clicks. But how can you do that effortlessly? Enter Followfox, the AI tool designed to generate high-quality images right at your fingertips. Accept the invite to the Distillery Discord channel where the magic happens. Once inside, head over to the Generation section. In the Generation section, you will find the Free Generations option. Click on it, and now you are ready to bring your vision to life. Enter the command Serve. Select the first option. Describe your vision in as much detail as you like and let Followfox do the rest. In seconds, you will have a variety of images generated. You can preview them all. Found the perfect image? Simply right-click on it and save it to your device. It's that easy. And there you have it, a quick, seamless way to generate incredible images using Followfox. Try Followfox today. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.